every Thursday, a swing trade review. And here we are looking, starting with alphabetic with AAOI, which has popped out of its downtrend, has gone vertical, literally the last 6 days, 5 days, 8.5 to 13 and change, and now stalled near resistance. Not a surprise. Your next target, however, is 16. If it continues, if it pulls back, some gap support 11.75. The gap fill would be about 11.25. But something in that zone wouldn't be so bad if it did it gently. Apps, much deeper pullback than I wanted to see, but the inverse head and shoulder necklines here. It ran up to the target zone near the gap here and pulled back to near support at the trend line, 50-day moving average lateral price support as well. So I'm expecting a bounce. We got a little one today. So let's see if this is able to hold here. And my next target is going to be a retest of 4.5 and then 6. BPMC on the short side was a tech traded swing short we issued. Well, it did break that bear coil of sorts right there and dropped down another 265 today, just about 3%. Nevertheless, it's breaking the pattern, and more importantly, targeting 85 and then mid-70s. CLPT, nice breakaway from the base and a beautiful run-up before the recent multi-session pullback. But it's coming on low volume with good technicals. Not quite sure how far down it can, it may pull back, but there's key support for me now is 1085.90. If it does extend, which I think it might, we could see a target now of 17.5, 18. Recent addition to ERJ, the Embraer. That's the big South American aircraft manufacturer, competitor Boeing and Airbus. You can see that multiple waves up or a beautiful 45-degree angle rising channel tells me we go to 41.42. FEIM, after breaking it out and putting back, we put a swing on it. It dropped a little bit more, but it held us quadruple top breakout point. Nice rebound. In the last week and a half, it's jumped from 11.5 retest to today's high at 14.72. My extension target now is near 17. IOVA broke out, kept running, and then now it's pulled back for 2 weeks. It's at a point at which I really would like to see a parallel channel bottom hold here. Your next target's 12 and then 14. LITE exploded. We put a swing on it, then ran up to the target and backed off. It's holding around the moving averages and price support. Stop under 52, target 59.60 and 65 plus. LUMN, monster breakout move, literally taking it from about 8-fold from 1 to 8 plus. Over the last 4 or 5 weeks, coiling bullishly. Feels like it could break out. Keep a stop under 440. Targeting 7, 8, 9.5. LUNR. Intuitive Machines broke out with a big explosive move. It's back in the field now for 2 weeks. I need it above 6. If we do that, 7.5 and 9 are targets. ONON. Popped through resistance, ran up and backed off. I still like the overall look, but it's in a semiconductor group, which is under pressure. If it does hold, you can put a stop under 42 with a target of 52. PAYO broke out of a base with a breakaway gap and rising flag. Still like the look of it. Target is 8. Qualcomm on the short side. You can see why. Head and shoulder top breakdown and a rising bear flag. It broke down and has been stalled right here. Take this one under 162. We're looking at 157, 140, and then 140.42. REFR, this low price puppy is flagging, consolidating, retesting. It needs to move over 240 to get going. Then your targets are 285, 3.5, and 4. RIVN broke out and then backed off to retest. Overall, still positive. I want to lower my stops to about 12 now. My targets are 15 and 17.25.5. Rocket Lab exploded and now I have a bull wedge. I like the look of this. An extension to 8.5. SLQT, a low priced rising channel, wedging. The recent pullback had me a little concerned because it's been down 6 of the last 7 days, but not too hard. And right now it's on support. If we take out 4.5, your target's 6. SPRY broke out and ran up to the target and backed off. Three-wave correct to falling wedge is at support. I suspect this may try a snapback off this level, targeting 16 and 19. TGTX, rising channel, popped out the resistance and backed off. It needs to hold it around there. Next target, 27. VRNA, popped out, broke out. We have, obviously, these are all swings. Been flagging for 3 weeks, and today had a little bit of an engulfing day where it came down and rallied, but closed with a loss on the day. Still, on Canada is a bullish day because it held the trend line. Stop is under 24. Target 30, 33, 37. Weatherford on the short side completed a top and a bear wedge and has rolled over this week. First target 85. Second target low 70s. ZETA, great action here, breakout, put a swing on it. It ran up to target number 1 and 2. It continues to press. Another good day for it today. Up 202 or 8%. Volume was the biggest we've seen in a long time at 13 million. Now looking for a move to 30. And that's it for tonight. I'll look at the current active swing trades, both long and short. Take it easy, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow.